Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I got a quick one for you today. This fan right here has not been cleaned in a while and it's not doing its job. Every shower is starting to get fogged up in here. And let's give it a cleaning. So it is working. Here's a good test to see. If you put a piece of paper over the fan, so you can see there, you know, it is kind of pulling it, but it's definitely clogged up. You can see all that dirt in the ground. So step one, turn off the fan. Oh, and the light. If you gently pull down on these, they just have a quick spring mechanism that holds them in. If you look across this one here, see this hole here. Let's see if I can get that to focus a little bit. This hole here, so you're just gonna pinch those together, and then they kind of come out of that hole there, and wiggle and jiggle. Do the same on the other side. Perfect. Now, if you wanted to do like a deep cleaning, you could actually clean this motor, clean the rest of this. See this plug right here? Believe it or not, this is just like a regular plug. See that? And then you can actually pull this side down right here and just disengage this part here. And this part is just held up by a couple tabs. We're not gonna do that today. You can see in there, well, it is, you know, not clean. I don't think that's our problem. I think that's our problem right there. Let's clean this out. Really don't need a lot of detergent on these. Just warm water usually will get these off. I have serviced some of these where the dirt seems to almost be sticking to them. So, you know, if that's the case, you might have to scrub a little bit more. Get some kind of very small brush to get into these holes. Even Q-tips I've used before. You can see this one, this is gonna be cleaned pretty easily just with some warm water. We've got a cover all clean, and now we just do the reverse. So it's a little bit awkward, well, especially I'm doing this one-handed, but if you get that first sort of spring is what I'm gonna call it in here, and sort of pinch it and kind of roll it into there. All right, back over to this side. This one might be a little harder to see. Let's see if I can get the camera in a good spot. Okay, there. We'll get that one into there. All right, and now it's just kind of hanging down like this. And if you just kind of put some even pressure. There we go. Okay, let's turn it back on. Let's do our paper test again. And that is considerably more suction. We've got a lot more air going through that. Okay, and finally a tip. These fans are not designed to be left on, like overnight or when you leave the house. Don't leave these fans on. That's not what they're for. These are supposed to be turned on when you're in the bathroom, taking a shower or doing your business, and then turned off when you leave. Maybe you want to put a timer on it so it'll last another like 5 or 10 minutes after you leave the bathroom, or you can come back and turn it off. But again, they're not designed to run hours on end. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.